Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation on the internal rate of return, also known as the IRR, by Sean Bourne. What is the internal rate of return? The internal rate of return is the discount rate where the NPV of a given set of cash flows is equal to zero. The IRR is the rate of return the project achieves. The rate of return refers to the speed that money comes back to you. U is comparing the IRR with the rate used to discount the project. Rule: if the IRR rate is greater than discount rate at set project, if not, reject project. How to calculate IRR rate? The IRR rate is found by error and trial. How to calculate the IRR rate? 1. Calculate net present value using the company's cost of capital. 2. Calculate the net present value using a second discount rate. If the net present value is positive, use a second rate that is greater than the first rate. If the net present value is negative, use a second rate that is less than the first rate. 3. Use the two net present values to estimate the IRR. The formula to apply is as follows. IRR equals A plus NPVA divided NPVA minus NPVB multiply open brackets B minus A percentage. A is lower of the two interest rates used. B higher of two interest rates used. NPVA positive net present value. NPVB negative net present value. Note, you should add both NPVA and NPVB. Example: a company bought a machine for $80,000 and it will last for 5 years and will have a scrap value of $10,000 at the end of year 5. It will have cash inflows of $20,000 per annum. It is company policy to undertake projects which exceeds the return of 10%. Solution: first, calculate the net present value using the cost of capital of 10%. So we have our table. Year 0 cash outflow of $80,000. Discount factor 1, give $80,000 outflow. Year 1 to 5. We use the annuity table because it's an equal cash flow. And the annuity factor at 10% from year 1 to 5 is 3.791 multiply $20,000 give cash inflows of $75,820. Year 5, the scrap value, discount factor 0.621 give cash inflows of $6,210. When you add together all the inflows and outflows, you get a positive net present value of $2,030. Now, calculate the second NPV using a rate that is greater than the first rate, as the first rate gives a positive answer. So let's try 12%. Year 0, cash outflow $80,000. Discount factor 1, outflow of $80,000. Year 1 to 5. We use the annuity table because it is equal cash flow of $20,000. A unity factor at 12% for year 1 to 5 is 3.605 multiply $20,000 give a present value inflow of $72,100. Year 5, cash inflow of $10,000. Discount factor is 0.567 multiply 10,000 give $5,670. Add together outflows and inflows, and we get a negative NPV of $2,230. This is fairly close to zero and negative. Use the two NPV values to estimate the IRR. 10 plus $2,030 divide $2,030 plus $2,230 multiply 12 minus 10 give 11%. Advantages and disadvantages of the internal rate of return. Advantages: 1. It considers the time value of money. 2. It takes into account the total cash inflows and cash outflows. 3. The profitability of the project is considered over the life of the project. Disadvantages: 1. It involves tedious calculations. 2. May lead to poor decision making with reference to mutually exclusive projects. 3. It may be difficult to understand why you have to calculate more than one rate.